All right, this is the bottom of the foot. The foot's super complicated. If we take off the fascia that goes across the bottom of the foot, the first thing you'll run into is this, which is the flexor brevis. So this flexor brevis curls all of your toes, goes to the last 4 toes. And if you remove that and get down to the next layer underneath, you run into the flexor longus. So here is flexor digitorum longus. Here are the tendons of it. But this comes around the medial side of your foot, and it would actually bend your toes towards the medial side. And instead, this muscle, called the quadratus plantae, goes from your Achilles, or actually from your calcaneus, pulls on this tendon and redirects the tendon so that it pulls more straight back on your toes. Inside the tendons here of the flexor digitorum longus are all of these little lumbrical muscles. These little lumbrical muscles flex your toes at the metacarpophalangeal joint and extend the toes at the IP joints. So if we remove this, we then get to the deep layer of the foot and see how this is the lateral plantar artery and nerve as they come around the lateral side of the foot. You can see the big flexor hallucis longus here, along with the medial plantar artery and nerve. And then on the inside here, you get into the flexor hallucis brevis, and this is the oblique head of the adductor hallucis. The transverse hasn't been dissected out here. But just a quick primer on all the muscles of the bottom of the foot and what they have to show you. So here's the quadratus plantae on the flexor digitorum longus, and then covered that with flexor digitorum brevis. And on top of that is the plantar fascia. Hope that makes it better.